Hi everybody, my name is SnakeEyesBP1980 on the PlayStation 4 system, Xbox One system, and PC. Today we are actually doing a boneless sirloin chops or whatever. As you can see, it's in the package or whatever, but we'll go ahead and open these up and we're going to place it onto this thing here, and then we're going to go ahead and season it. But until then, you guys need to get closer so that we can start working on doing some of this stuff. So come closer. Alright, so basically now we've gotten out of the package. We're putting the last one on here. And then we'll go ahead and season it. And then go from there. There's a lot of choices you can do. Like I said before, when you're seasoning, you can do garlic salt, you can do different things or whatever, but we're gonna have, I'm gonna go with garlic salt this time, or you can do the like seasoned salt, or you can do some steaks seasoning, you can do some, you know, chili powder if you really want to get really spicy about it, and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do seasoned salt, and we're going to try to lightly cover these, and then flip it and do exactly the same thing on the other side. Now, set your oven at 400 and have it on bake so that you can actually have it ready. When it is ready to go in, I'll go ahead and shove it into the oven, and then we go from there. Hopefully you guys have been ready, enjoying my content. Go ahead and leave a description, what you want to see next on the channel down below. For Cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980, I will look up to see what type of menus will the ingredients for it, and making it and stuff like that. Also, if you like the video, go ahead and bro punch that like button like a champion. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when the next time I put up a video or when I go live stream. So we'll set it again like we did the last time for about a half an hour, excuse me, 30 minutes, and see what it does afterwards. So enjoy.
Put just a touch of water in this. Liquefy this just a little bit.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
But nice. Yeah, that kind of work. Oh, I do.
So that's what it looks like once you get done. Please go ahead and enjoy it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. Be able to come back, see me next time when I cook whatever's going to be the next thing on the list to do. Until then, thank you guys so much for being in here. Do come back, see me next time. Until then, bye for now.